it's just some steam in the bottom right corner of the screen like that, and I'm thinking my seat or something is on fire down there, but yo guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shamsi here. Thanks for tuning in to another video. I recently picked up a humidifier, one of the car ones. I've seen this on Instagram everywhere, and I'm pretty sure everyone has as well. You might have seen this from Car Cologne. If you don't know Car Cologne, I was sponsored with them. I think I still am. I don't know, I need to double check. But anyway, I picked this up from Amazon, £9.80. So yeah, I'd rather pay £9.80 than spend £30 or £25 or 20 quid on the same damn thing. Okay, cool. So in your box, you get pretty much the humidifier and your little diffuser sticks and your, what do you call it? Your little wiring cable, power cable, whatever you want to call it. This is actually tough to do with one hand. I'm sorry for the dry hands, but yeah. So let's take this out. Hopefully it fits right in. Yes, it does. Cool, that's gonna stay there forever now. And yeah, so literally power cable, this can plug into one of your USB slots or something like that, but I'm gonna plug it into the back because we have an extra 12-volt socket at the back of the armrest. So I'm gonna, I don't know, bring the wire going along there or something like that. I'll figure something out. But yeah, currently that's those are the sticks, and you do need water, and I forgot the water. I'm an idiot, so I'm gonna have to go get the water again. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Ooh. Sorry for the weird angle, but we're gonna have to do this for now. So let's take this out. Got your little cancer sticks, and we might leave this in like a plastic baggie or something for now. Wow, it fell. I thought someone hit my flipping door, bruv. Anyway, filled out so far. Take it out of the wrapping like so. This feels pretty light. Plastic feels plasticky, not much of a quality to it, so you know for a fact that this gets flipping. Okay, cool. So there's one in there already. So there's one little stick in there already, which is cool. Now I know you guys want to see the LED lights because the LED lights matches my actual lights of this. So let me do a quick little function test to make sure it works. Sweet, so it's plugged in. I haven't put no water in it, but I'm gonna do that. Let me press it. Try and turn on. There we go. So it's on forever while you, so let me just cover a bit, get some colours. So I need to fill this up with some water. I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Also, you get a lot of colours as well. You got a pink one, you got a white one and a grey one. Now you can put what's it called, some oils in here so it can have like a fragrancy, misty, whatever you want to call it, but I'm going to leave pure water. I don't have any oils at the minute, but when I do, I will give you guys an update. But for now, I'm going to throw some water in there, keep it stepping. Wait, so we've got the Evian water. Fuck! Shit! Oh my, bro, fuck. Fam, I can't, bro. Anyway, yeah, yeah, we got the Evian water bottle now. And we're gonna fill it up and see what I got on here. There we go. I don't read instructions, as you guys know. I don't know if there's like a fill limit, but I'm not gonna fill it too much because I'm driving, do you know what I mean? So we gonna throw you back in here and I should see motherfucking steam. Do what steam out. Is that I should have read the instructions. Shit. I'll tell me for 1 second and look at this. It's humidifying, bro. I'm feeling nice. I'm feeling nice. That's what it looks, man. I'm gonna get you some night shots, and I'm gonna check back with you in a couple days and let you know how this actually, you know, works. So yeah. Oh, another thing I wanted to mention, don't put Fanta in it, it don't work. And also you got 2 modes or 3 modes. You got night light mode and you got the RGB light mode in it, and you got the continuous mist mode, and you also got the intermittent misting, so a bit for a second and then it will, yeah, so you will save actually a lot more of your oils and your water if you do it on this mode. But you know, I like the constant thing, so I'm gonna leave it on that one, innit? So yeah, that's another thing as well. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna check back with you guys in about around night time. Hopefully it should be a bit better. So yeah, I'm gonna let you know, and yeah. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you guys that I've noticed a difference. The only thing I've noticed is just some steam in the bottom right corner of the screen, like that. And I'm thinking my seat or something is on fire down there, but really and truly, if you had perfume, that would definitely come out. But yeah, it's I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my I'm joking. But yeah, it's not too bad. £10, you can't go wrong. It makes the car look nice as well. It has a purpose. It does a purpose. So yeah, if you want to make a car smelling nice, if you don't want to buy any more air fresheners, I recommend getting one of this because it's cheap. The oil was about £3 and then it will last you for a couple months. So yeah, that's all. So it's been your boy Shamsi signing out. Peace.